Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to delete your LinkedIn account. Asking, how do you delete your LinkedIn account? You probably think it's a long process. This will only take a minute. Let's get started. Go to the LinkedIn website and log in. Click on the Me icon at the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. In the Account Preferences option, go to the Account Management. Next to Close Account, click on arrow. Tap and Continue. Select one of the reasons for closing your account, then click Next. Enter your LinkedIn account password and tap Done. That's it. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.